Stop wasting time on your phone. Did you know there are apps that actually pay you just for playing games, downloading apps, and taking surveys? In this video, I will reveal 4 legit apps and websites that people are already using to make extra money online. And you can start today. The first app in our list is JumpTask. JumpTask is an online rewards platform where you can complete simple online tasks like surveys, app testing, micro jobs, and even passive earning options. And instead of waiting weeks for payment, you get paid instantly in cryptocurrency right into your wallet. Once you sign up, you will see a dashboard full of earning options. Things like answering surveys, testing websites, or downloading apps. Each task shows exactly how much you will earn. But the coolest part is their passive earning feature called Honeygain mode, where you can share unused internet and earn without doing anything at all. Payments are made in Jump token, their own crypto, which you can swap for stable coins or cash out easily. Next in the list we have Freecash. Freecash is a GPT website that rewards you in real money for simple online tasks. Whether you enjoy surveys, app downloads, or trying new apps, you can start earning right away. And the best part, you can cash out in as little as one day. No waiting weeks to get paid. After creating a free account, you will see hundreds of offers available. Each task clearly shows how much money you will make, whether it's a cent or a couple of dollars. You can earn through surveys, downloading apps, completing trials, or even playing mobile games. And unlike many sites, Freecash pays in PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even gift cards like Amazon. To maximize your earnings, focus on game offers and high-paying surveys. Those usually pay the most. Freecash also gives a daily leaderboard bonus to top earners, which can add up fast. And don't skip the referral program. Inviting friends give you a percentage of what they earn, boosting your income over time. Next we have TapNoon. TapNoon is a GPT platform that pays you for simple online activities, whether it's filling out surveys, installing apps, or even testing new services. You can turn your free time into extra cash or gift cards. Once you sign up, TapNoon shows you a list of available tasks with clear payouts. For example, completing a survey might earn you a couple of dollars, or downloading and even using an app for a few minutes could earn even more. You can redeem your earnings for PayPal cash or gift cards from popular brands, making it flexible and easy to use. To maximize your earnings on TapNoon, check in daily because new surveys and offers are constantly added. Focus on higher paying app downloads and multi-step offers, as those usually bring in more than standard surveys. And like many platforms, TapNoon also has a referral system, so inviting friends can boost your balance quickly. Next we have Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a legit review platform where brands and artists pay to get real feedback. In return, you get paid for every review you write. It's free to join, and all you need is an internet connection and a few minutes of your time. Once you sign up, you will see different categories to review, like music tracks, clothing designs, commercials, and even smartphone accessories. You listen, watch, or view the item, then write a short, honest review. The better and more detailed your feedback, the more you earn per review. Payments go straight to your PayPal account once you hit the minimum cash out threshold, which makes it easy to actually get your money. Here is how to maximize your earnings. First, be detailed. Don't just say I liked it. Slice the Pie pays more when your reviews are thoughtful and helpful. Second, be consistent. The more you review, the more your rating goes up, and higher rated reviewers earn more per review. Third, mix it up. Try different categories like fashion or commercials to keep things interested and boost your income.